Hi everyone. This was an empty box of this headphone I bought. So I thought instead of throwing, let's make something useful and beautiful. First I will cut the top part of the box, which was for the closing. Remove all the top part. Now take a piece of cardboard and cut it according to the size of the box. Okay, now I will take some more pieces of cardboard and will stick on the top of the piece to make it a little bit more thick. This is going to be the cover or the lid of the box actually. Here I am adding more cardboard to make it thick enough. I don't have big piece, so I'm sticking the small pieces together. I have made this lid and now I will stick some pieces of cardboard on the sides, the middle of the box like this and the lid like this, which will go inside the box actually. Here you can see each piece is thick. And now I will leave ½ inch from the sides of the lid where I will stick these pieces I made after. Here it's done now, you can see like this. This is how it will go inside, like this. Okay, I'm just cutting the edges from the corners of the sides of the lids, and if you want to leave it square you can leave it, but I will just give a little bit curvy shape. And now this is styrofoam ball, which I will stick here on the top of the lid. Same, I prepared the lid exactly like this. I am preparing the lower part of the box now, where I will stick the box. Actually I will cut it 1 inch bigger than the lid size from all sides actually. Okay, place now the lid size cardboard piece on the big size and cut the sides little bit curvy. Now take a curvy piece of cardboard like this and cut 4 pieces to make the pillars on the 4 sides of the cardboard. I didn't measure, so if you want the cardboard pillars to be thick, it depends on you how wide you will cut the cardboard. Here I have some lids of water bottles, which I will stick together, 2 of them, to make the feet of the box. Okay, now you need to stick these pillars with the bottle lids by leaving the half sides away from the lid. Here like this, you can see I didn't put it in the middle. You need to leave it on the side a little bit, because the rest of the lid we will stick it with the cardboard. Here now you can see why I left a little bit lid empty. I didn't put the pillar in the middle of the lid, because the rest of the lid part we will stick it like this with the cardboard, the lower part of the box. Here, stick them all together like this. Now take some white glue and tissues to cover all the pieces we made, the lower part, the lid, and some sides of the box with tissues I will cover. Here I'm using again my homemade glue. Okay, this is how we will apply tissues on the transparent box. Almost 1 inch from each side I will apply the tissue like this. I didn't measure as well how much I am applying the tissue on the sides, on the corners. By idea I'm just doing this. After all they dry, here you can see, I will use now the colors, acrylic paints, light blue color and black little bit. Take some light sky blue color and add 1 or 2 drops of black color in it, because I want the blue a little bit dim. I don't want it to be bright, so I'm adding black color in it. If you like my videos, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to have more ideas like this. Here they all are dry, but for the lid I didn't apply the color here and on the top, because I will make them golden color. Here you can see they all dry now. I'm using here some pine cones and I will spray them golden bronze and I will leave them to dry. Until that time I will clean the transparent part of the box if in case there is any glue or color. And now I will use some acrylic silver paint just on the top of the tissues I applied, just to give them a little bit shade, not to make them completely silver. Here like this. Once it's dry tissues, you will see the texture coming. Just on that texture you will apply this color like this. Okay, I'm using now a air dry clay and this mold to make some embossing designing. I don't know exactly what's the name for these ones, but I will call them flowers or any molding designs or whatever. With this clay I will use only today this design. Now apply some white glue and stick these molding designs or whatever as shown. Leave these molds dry completely, and now here I'm using again my golden bronze spray, which I will apply like this on the top and even on the tissues which I applied the blue, light blue color, teal color. I will give a little bit shade with this on every part of the box. And here I was so much busy in doing this and I don't know where the camera was and where I am working, so sorry for that. Exactly like this I will give some shade on the lower part as well and on the pillars also. You need to just give a little bit shade. You don't need to completely cover it golden as well. Remember this. Here you can see the coloring is done now. And here is the lid as well. You can see how beautiful the texture and the colors combinations now, like this. And here now I will stick the transparent box over it. If you don't want, you can leave it just over it without sticking, but I want to stick it like this. And here the pine cones are dry now, which I will stick on the top of the pillars like this. Here I have some dry flowers, leaves of the flowers, and some pine cones. And here is my candle, battery candle. Make sure, of course, to put it inside like this. And here is your home decor ready. If you like the video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to channel, click on bell icon for more notifications regarding my videos, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.